Noah here from American Muscle, and we're taking a look at a set of headlights with amber corners, black housings, and clear lenses for the 99 to 2004 Mustang. There are a few different variations of this headlight on our site, and this is going to be one of the darker options with no LEDs and a black housing. But it does keep an amber corner, which still gives you a hint of the OEM design. So if you're looking for a darker set of OEM-ish headlights, then these might be a great fit for you. First off, we've got a dark design that you're seeing everywhere on cars a lot these days. These guys do have a black housing, which is going to make a nice base behind that clear lens, and that means the headlights are still going to be dark, but they'll shine unrestricted from the car since those lenses are clear. Then there's a little pop of color here on the sides still with that amber corner. As far as construction goes, we're looking at a weather-sealed housing that's polypropylene all around. These guys are designed to use those factory halogen bulbs and they'll just drop right in. Then on top of that, if you're looking for even more lighting performance, I'd encourage you to pick up a set of LED bulbs for these guys off our site as well. They'll drop right in, and it's super easy to change out the bulbs when the headlights are off the car, so now would be the time to do it. Coming in around 150 bucks, these headlights are going to be one of the cheapest options in terms of headlights for your Mustang out there. The price is low, mostly because they don't have LED bulbs and they're designed to use that factory setup with the original halogen bulbs. Of course, less features sometimes can be really nice when it comes to pricing. Installing these headlights is going to be a simple installation for just about anybody. We're only looking at a difficulty of 1 out of 3 wrenches because these guys are plug and play. Since it's such a simple install, you should be able to get it done in about an hour, so really not too bad at all. At this point, I'm going to hand you over to one of our AM customers and they're going to walk you through that install process step by step.
Hello, today we are going to replace the headlight of 2003 Ford Mustang. First step, open the hood or the bonnet, and now we're gonna remove the headlight. This is a very simple process. You just light out these 2 pins. Okay. The head connection and now we have the old headlight already off. You can see that it's very damaged in the front part. This is for the age and the sun. How to remove the headlight, the bulb, you have to turn off this screw and then it's off. It's very simple. Same process for the signal light. We just do small tweaks and it's off. So the bulb in the new headlight, you just remove the seal. Signal light bulb, you just do put in the slot like this. Make sure that it's all the way down. And then remove the seal. Slide down and put it back. Now we have the light bulb already installed. It's just a matter to put back to the car the headlight. So make sure that those pins are well connected. Introduce it in the hole. This is the guide to have the headlight in place. So first of all, putting back the connection. With this. Here we go. Up here, and now another one right here. Center line the pins. A nice seal here. Now you just slide out the pin right in. And the second pin. And then you can remove the plastic cover. And we have the new light bulb already installed.
Those were the headlights with amber corners, black housings, and clear lenses for the 99 to 04 Mustang. For all things Mustang, remember to keep it right here at AmericanMuscle.com.